Good afternoon. Let's start a small demonstration about MyActions. So currently MyActions, it's a kind of self-service application, so kind of dashboard of activity for a specific employee. You can browse a couple of items available to you on the dashboard. First of all, you can have a look to all the actions already assigned to you, and regarding the status, basically the employee can take some actions in order to complete a specific actions. So you are talking about a couple of actions category. You can log some incident report. You can submit some absence or leave request. You can submit some expense report as well. Have a view on the payment done so far for you. You can have a look to your own dashboard, what you have done so far, and you can also have a look to the mandatory training you are supposed to attend, and also to request some specific actions for your personal development. But for the time being, let's focus on two of these main features. We are going to understand through these short presentations how to log some incident report. So basically you can create your own incident report, provide some photo regarding what is wrong with you. You can take a picture. So basically in this use case I've got some issue with my mouse. I can take a picture of the mouse. I can provide also the locations of the building I'm working on currently, which is my place, and you can provide some descriptions. The date of the incident report, yes, this is a defect, my mouse is not working anymore, and you can provide some notes in order to get a fix. Something like that. And you can submit your incident report. Behind the scene, this incident report will be sent to MCS, Mobile Cloud Services. MCS able to start a PCS process Cloud Services, in order to have some technicians aware about these situations, and a couple of minutes after, most probably you are going to receive some notifications or some email or whatever in order to fix the issue for you. Let's start another topic, expense, for instance. You can submit through these mobile applications running on my iPad an expense. Okay, first of all, so I'm going to focus on the expense ticket. I'm going to take pictures of my last expense. I will use this photo as well as a justification. You can provide some descriptions for your manager. For instance, the date. Okay, it's related to not an expense training at all, but customer visit. Why not? And you provide some justifications because you don't have any money anymore. Okay, when you are done, just submit the expense report. And one more time, this report will be sent to MCS in order to fire, most probably, a process for your manager, and to have a new task in the task list of your manager in order to get this expense report paid as soon as possible. If you want to have a look to your payment, we have also these features. You can select the document you are interested in order to get some information regarding what's going on with this payment. And you can also share this information, this document, with a specific application installed into your iPad. I want to talk about Docs, document cloud services from Oracle. If I select these applications, I can export my expense payment report into Docs. You have to select the folder. Yes, it's a good one. I'm going to export into Docs. You upload the document. Very easy. Okay. You can open your folders in order to have access to this document to be stored into your archive. And we have also another mobile applications associated to documents. I want to talk about Doc Presenter. This is more or less a browser about the document stored into the document cloud services. You maybe need to refresh a little bit Docs, just because currently we don't have any expense report stored into the presenter. So you just need to refresh your folder in order to import any updates about the document and information stored into this folder. If you select your expense report, you can have access to the information. And this is the end of this short demonstrations introducing mobile applications, and you can play with these mobile applications to integrate these applications with mobile cloud services, with PCS, process cloud services, and Docs, document cloud services at Oracle today. Thank you for listening. Talk to you soon.